Uwi akong Cebu. Dito na ako sa Philippine Airlines Domestic Airport. Merry Christmas! Uwi na ako. Uwi akong Cebu. Dito na ako sa Philippine Airlines Domestic Airport. Joke lang. What? Natid lang ako ng boss ko. Not domestic airport. Guys, oh. tayo sa NAIA Terminal 2, Philippine Airlines. Ayan guys, uwi na tayo. Time check 5:15 ng umaga. Uwi na tayo. Dito ako naman sa sa Rojas Boulevard. Uwi. Uwi na tayo. Tayo'y pauwi na. Hindi ba't kay ganda sa atin ang Pasko? Na ibang pagdiriwang dito. Pasko sa atin, hahanap-hanapin mo. Walang katulad dito ang Pasko. Laging unang maisip na sila'y nandito sana, at sa Noche Buena ay magkakasama. Ang Pasko ay kay saya kung kayo'y kapiling na. Sana pagsapit ng Pasko, kayo'y naririto. Kahit na malayo ka, kahit na saan ka pa. Dito na tayo sa guys, sa Rizal Park. Ayan o. Yun. Ayun o.
It's been a while since he has left. Had some time to self-reflect, so now I'm writing this to you. I'm really sorry in advance for every time I have to ask you if you might have changed your mind. And baby, does it make me crazy thinking about you every day, wishing you'd appear. And maybe I'm losing it 'cause lately I've been writing love songs to a boy without a name. So here's to someday.
Guys,
I'm kinda over all the talk. Miss Independent never worked for me. No, I don't really mind. There's nothing wrong with meeting you. Anyone who wants to criticize paradise isn't worth the time.
Museum.
But baby, it doesn't make me crazy, thinking about you every day, wishing you'd appear. And maybe I'm losing it 'cause lately
City Hall.
I've been writing love
Manila City Hall.
songs to a boy without a name. So here's your someday. I know I got a lot of stuff, and honestly, it makes me
Punta tayo
terrified.
guys, Quiapo.
Showing it to you,
Ayan o, Quiapo Church.
but my best friend always says
Ayan yung
that
Quiapo
if you're
Church.
right for me, you'll never
Yan lang.
leave. And I'm hoping that it's true. So
Church.
baby, it doesn't make me crazy, thinking about you every day, wishing you'd appear. And maybe I'm losing it 'cause lately I've been writing love songs to a boy without a name. So here's just someday.
Yan lang naman. Galing tayo sa airport.
Dito
tayo dumaan sa, ano, Rojas. Pauwi na. Kuha lang ako ng mga konting video para mayroon tayong may upload. Okay naman. Kuha naman tayo. Espanya na tayo guys. Pasensya na kayo sa camera natin, masyadong magalaw. Hindi ko kasi nadala yung patungan natin eh. Kaya one-hander lang. Ayan, lumiliwanag na. Mag-alas 6 na. Pumunta lang naman tayo doon para magkuha ng konting video guys. Samahan lang tayo. Galing tayo naghatid na ng amo ko sa airport. Pumunta ng Cebu. So yun lang guys, putulin na lang natin, hanggang dito na lang yung video natin para hindi na masyadong mahaba. Saka kung bago pa lang kayo sa channel ko guys, paki-like naman guys, paki-comment sa baba, share at subscribe na din guys. Huwag nyo rin kalimutang pindutin yung notification bell para updated kayo sa mga bagong video ko guys na upload. Maraming salamat guys. Thank you for watching. God bless you always. I love you all. Babu, bye bye po. Thank you.